Change up the topic here a little bit. Let's talk about the tropics now too, because of course we are still monitoring this medium now chance of tropical development. I do want to note though, yesterday and the day prior, this was over the first coast. If you notice, it's kind of shifted towards the west, which is important as we see a developing storm system. The forecast can change, and right now it looks like it is more than likely going to be forming over the Gulf versus tracking across the state of Florida here. That does adjust our outlook just a bit here. Let's take a look though at the satellite picture, and basically gotta have this broad low. So it's not tightly organized at this time, but it is creating instability around it. Look at this, some strong thunderstorms out towards the Panhandle. We also have some storms moving in across I-4, the Daytona area. For us though, we're kind of sandwiched here on our Saturday evening in this little dry slot on the northern edge of it, which is really kind of hindering and really not bringing much cloud cover for us here on the first coast today. Reason why we're still dry out there. But as we go into tomorrow, that moisture is going to lift in. That's still going to create some isolated afternoon showers, but a moderate chance of development. Area is likely to drift towards the north, and it needs to be watched, but not expecting direct impacts here in Jacksonville, only those indirect impacts. So I always want to stress that here in First Coast News. We always want to let you know what's not going to happen as well as what can happen here. So that way, I don't want anybody accusing us that we're hyping this up and that it's going to come towards us. It's not the case. Slowly drifting off towards the north. You can see here what a lot of the guidance is expected to come closer to the Panhandle. Maybe a tropical depression, could be a little bit stronger, but it's likely going to stay towards our west. But still got those bands. I mean, look at this. This is by Sunday afternoon. We get a band of some showers kicking on through, much like we do every day. The difference with this is that they'll be coming in from the south towards the north, and also a very tropical humid atmosphere, so we could be looking at some locally heavy downpours coming out of it. But the heaviest of the rain, it's going to stay out here closer to Lake City in the I-75 corridor. So how about we switch up and we talk about right now? As I mentioned, it is dry out there. Temperature is also into the 90s, dry and hot. We're not going to get much the coolest down today. As we go out into tomorrow, we got some afternoon showers that could be kicking in again, even on Monday. And in fact, Monday we do have a weather impact alert in place still for that instability with those scattered showers in our outlook here. We did dial it back though as far as that forecast for Sunday. 93 there for the high on Sunday. Then Monday, there you go. You got that red for the weather impact alert. Scattered thunderstorms going to be kicking on through if that lifts towards the north. And then things do dial back. I mean, we still have isolated showers Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We're not going to get away from that. It's Florida. It's the first coast, and it's